fills. A fill in beatboxing is a short beat pattern which will help sustain the listener's attention during a break and transition between two main beat patterns. While beatboxing, there is a consistent feeling with the pattern you're making, which is called the main beat. Adding a fill between your main beats will make your beatboxing more engaging and will add more energy to your performance. With the beatbox patterns and sounds that we already learned, I will show you an example how to add in a fill. Now this is the pattern. Repeat that pattern 4 times. To add in a fill, all you have to do is repeat the pattern 3 times, and on the 4th pattern, you will slightly change the pattern with the same beatbox sounds like this. Remember the trap beat pattern? You can add a fill to this as well. Listen to the last part of the pattern carefully. Let me repeat that. Your fills don't have to be difficult or complicated to make the music more engaging. You can pretty much do any kind of pattern or add any kind of sounds you can imagine in a fill as long as you're still in time. Don't forget to practice with your metronome.